Well, hello everyone. We are back in our YouTube room. We had a great weekend. We did, and you've already seen it. It was our 3-part series, so we're really excited to bring to you because when we got back home,
we had something waiting.
Tokyo Kawaii.
Yay.
This is our May. I know it is.
I think it's May.
Yeah.
There's another one May, and this is June.
No, the last one was April. This one is May. Yeah.
Okay.
So, as we mentioned before, we're members of the Tokyo Kawaii. It is taking longer because he wasn't able to airmail it. He had to do it by boat. So, that's why it is 3 months late. But that's not a big deal because it gives us some anticipation. We have our, did you know this is our 14th video?
That's crazy.
14th video of Tokyo Kawaii.
Yes. All the information is in the description. Otherwise, you can check out all of our other videos that we have. And we'll just get right into it. If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome. Thank you guys so much for checking us out. Yeah,
we are Echo Travel Adventures. We are a travel channel, but we also love Disney, so therefore, that's why we get the Disney. Now, Tokyo Kawaii, just one snippet, because I want you to do your homework. It is all Tokyo Disney based, so everything that is in it comes from Tokyo Disney, so that's why we're really loving it. And though it's not travel, but it still is because we're trying to plan a trip to Tokyo. So
yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and
subscribe because we are so excited to build our community. We want you to be part of our community, and we're really excited.
Thank you so much, Bam Bam. You guys are amazing. We always say that, but we love seeing those comments. We're more active on social media. If you want to email us, because you're too embarrassed, that's fine too. If you think of cool things we might like, tag us and all that. Tag us.
Yeah.
Like, we're so grateful for every comment or like that we get. If you leave a thumbs down, please just let us know why.
Yeah,
be nice about it.
Yeah.
All right.
And it is your turn.
Yay!
So that means I don't get a cheat.
I'll cheat.
Oh, and the last few videos we've been doing 2 cameras, so we'll show it up here, then we'll show it down below, so you get it up close and personal. A lot of you have liked it, so if you guys continue to like it, let us know.
These are hard to open. I've just been sitting in the sun and everything. Wow, it's a bigger bag this time. I think it's new bags, maybe. Here's the front.
It is a new bag.
I know, right?
I like it.
It's super cool.
She's cheating.
Dun, da, da, da. Hand soap set. It's Mickey and Minnie.
It is so cool. It is Mickey and Minnie. It is so, wow, I wonder what it smells like. Which is funny because she flew out to Orlando and she got her stuff taken away because of TSA.
Yeah.
And this would have been legal to take with you.
I know.
Good job, Michael.
It's soap or is it?
Hand soap. What's it say on the top?
Hand soap.
It's very neutral.
Yeah. It looks like this.
This is Minnie. And then that is Mickey. It looks really cool. Oh, this would be perfect for when we go on traveling.
So it's like.
We always use bar. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and we always use the bar.
Yeah.
We always use a bar soap, so it'd be kind of nice to use this.
Because you can take that. Yay!
You're cheating.
I know.
Oh, it's Christmas.
She's so cute.
There's Minnie.
Look at her little dress.
Look at the dress, and she even has like a little ornament, like bonnet ribbon looking thing.
You're going too fast. It's not picking it up. Oh no! See, there we go. It was a little bit out of focus, and I was like, no, wait.
She normally does the close up, so I apologize. But look.
No, hold down. Look at how high you're holding.
Sorry. I'm like,
He's
I'm not
like over
me.
here.
But look, they have like little snowflakes and stuff.
I'm excited. Like, yes, HHN is coming up, and then there's Christmas, and then this year went by so fast.
It did. But I was hoping for a business mini, not.
It's okay. I'm excited about the holiday mini. I didn't look at this one.
Mm-hmm. What is that?
I don't know. Lunchtime series is what it says.
Huh.
You stick it in the they're like toothpicks
Oh.
that you could use for your lunch.
Yeah, that's really clever. So they're like little toothpicks, like Amber was saying, and like if you had like pineapple and watermelon, so you're not putting all everyone's dirty fingers in.
We should take one out and show them.
You go. It'd be like.
How cute! Look how adorable.
So you'd be like. I don't know, but that's cool. That's really neat.
What do they have? Mickey, Minnie,
Yeah, they have.
Chip, Dale, Donald, Daisy.
Yeah, no Goofy or Pluto, but it still doesn't matter. It's really cool.
Those are cute. I like the Chip and Dale. Of course, you guys know that by now.
That's really cool.
Or
That's
if you
really
don't,
clever.
that's okay.
You know what's funny?
What?
When we were driving to Memphis, you had watermelon and you had to use a fork.
Mm-hmm.
You could have used one of these. It's okay.
I didn't look at this one. It's a cookie.
Maggot. Oh my god, I thought I said maggot.
We almost messed that up.
Sorry. Oh, that's funny.
So it's a cookie then?
Yeah, I think so.
You wanna open it?
We'll open it.
Okay.
We're opening everything this time.
Or it's a made to look like cookie.
You know what? You just got something like this before, like earlier. Oh yeah. Oh, that's cool. It's a magnet and it looks like a cookie.
A magnet.
And it.
Oh, is that what it means?
Yeah.
Magcot. Oh, I thought maybe it said like magnet.
Because it looks like it would be like
Oh, it's
royal
Royal
icing and stuff. Focus. There we
Oh
go.
wow, that's such a good idea. And it's a cute little magnet too, where it doesn't take a lot of space
You gotta
up.
look at the detail on the back side too. It will focus.
Like, you know how we get those big magnets here in the US and it takes up like the whole entire fridge? That's crazy.
I look like I'm mean mugging them, but I promise you I'm not. But you can see some of the detail.
Oh yeah.
That's really cool. And it comes with a piece of candy.
Oh, like the other one? Is it
Yeah.
like cherry blossom like it was?
I don't know.
I need it. Okay. This is just one, so I know how to take it out.
Mmm.
Ready
It tastes
for
like my little green ones that I always get.
Yeah.
No.
No, thank you. And then thanks yet again, Michael. His little note. Is it focusing? There we go. Can you see the back?
No.
Look how cute. They're on a gondola. You be my Mickey and I'll be your Minnie.
What is
It
this?
says skater. We'll have to open it up, but you can show them.
So this is what it says. Oop, the light. And then on the back side, it says something as well. We'll open it so it may cut down some of the glare.
Did you tell them that when we were in Houston, we went to a Daiso and a
No.
Tokyo grocery store, and we found a Tokyo grocery store here in Omaha.
It says, "You're the best."
What is it? Like a bag?
I think it might be like a gift bag or something. Because it has a
Or like
Ziploc.
to put stuff in, like storage?
Yeah, it keeps like the food fresh and stuff.
Are you sure it's for food?
I don't know. You know, the world is your oyster. So however you want to use it, I mean, it's pretty shallow. But,
Like a sandwich?
yeah, I mean,
Or like crayons or your change or your pennies that you collect?
Yeah. You know, I like it. I don't know what I would use it for, but I like it.
And then, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our 6th. 6?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5 and
5.
6.
This is our last one. New dreams, more fun. Oh, this is from 2020. It's a placemat.
It looks like it. That's really cool. They have Baymax, they got Minnie, they have
Wait
Mickey.
till you see the back.
They have Belle.
No, the back is better.
Oh wow. I'm looking with you guys.
That's cool. Is this a placemat?
I don't know.
It kind of feels like one.
Which in 2020 they opened up
Belle, right?
Belle's ride and all that kind of stuff too.
I forget what it's called. We might be bad with that.
Does
Look.
Baymax have a ride?
Yes.
We gotta go to Japan, man.
I think it's the ones like the alien.
We gotta go to Japan.
Aliens rolling saucers. Look, guys. Tinkerbell's in it. I don't know if you guys saw it because of all the stuff in it. But you guys can see it a little bit
Oh, they have
more.
a Disney Cruise Line too. Look, right here.
Crazy. We got 6 stuff.
He also includes the Disney Shop Disney Japan store.
Yeah.
Japan store.
But it's only available to ship in Japan.
They don't ship it to the United States. That's
But you can always subscribe to his subscription box. His name's Michael. You can let him know that Brian and Amber or Echo Travel Adventures sent you. We don't get kickbacks like we always say. We just want him. Yeah, we just want him to get more people, and then you get all this cool stuff from Tokyo. Like, how crazy!
I know.
It's so cool.
We enjoy this. Like we keep telling you guys, this helps us through the pandemic and everything. Cause like we were at our wits' end, like most of you guys, not knowing what to do during quarantine and stuff. So this really did help. But we really do appreciate everything that Michael does, and because it is personalized to you, and that's just what makes it awesome. Because it just watch our other videos, because those videos are really important.
We say the same stuff in every video.
Yeah.
So we don't want to bore you guys. We want you to enjoy the video like we do. See all the cool stuff that you can get from there. Or go visit there.
Yeah, for sure.
Take us with you?
Yes. Think of your awesomest YouTubers that you want.
Or your awesomest Bam Bam members.
We do got some exciting things happening. We have a lot more videos coming. We got a lot more trips planned. So please don't forget to subscribe, because only way you're ever going to know what we have going on is if you subscribe.
And hit that bell notification, because you'll know when we post new videos. And you guys want to see that.
I know. You know, I'm just going to tell them. Try to stop me. It's not going to work. We are going to Disneyland over there in California for the first time in 12 years. 12 years.
I took him there. He had never been there when we first got married.
Yeah.
Yay!
And then when we officially moved from California to Nebraska, we went there and we stopped there for one night. It was sad, but nonetheless, it was fun. We are officially going back and going to have a really fun time, because our friend and his daughter's going to be there, so we're really excited. But for 12 years, we've been wanting to go to Disneyland.
But we went to Disney World all the time.
I know. And now we get to go.
I worked at Disney World. What if we moved to California and I work at Disneyland? I don't know.
But for Disneyland, I mean, it's very nostalgic for us, because it was one of the first parks that we ever went to as a married couple. So we really look forward to making those videos for you and being part of that with you guys, because those are... Anyway.
Or let us know in the comments what you want us to do and stuff like that. Maybe we can go live one day, or I can post as many stories and all that stuff on Instagram and TikTok. Like I said, please be on social media with us. We love that interaction with you guys. We try to reply to every comment. Sometimes it does not work, but we're trying our best.
Yeah. But other than that, guys, we really want to thank you for your love and your support.
Yes.
Thanks for everything that you do for us. We really can't, honestly, you're the one that keeps us going, because a lot of times we get really frustrated just filming content, making content, and doing all that kind of stuff. And knowing that we, not an obligation, but it just something that
we have something with you guys.
Yeah.
And we want to keep that relationship. Like we said, if you see us outside of the parks, come say hi to us. We love it.
Yeah, absolutely. We are not standoffish by any means.
We may look like it, but we're really not.
Yeah, we really aren't. But guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell notification, don't forget to comment.
Check our social media.
Yes, Instagram, Echo Travel Adventures, TikTok, Echo Travel Adventures. And with that, we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.